This morning we have the beautiful Hopay. Hopefully she's going to be good. Let's have a look at the feet. A bit ugly here. Look at that. This was Hopay's fronts almost 12 months ago exactly. The seedy's gone from the off front and just a tiny bit left on the near. Don't like that. Look at that. That's going to come off. That one's not too bad. What about this one? Doesn't look too bad. Doesn't look too bad, but I guess we'll find out. I'm going to start off with this one. Let's have a look, chicken. At this one here, you're going to put this one forward. Down. Down. Good girl, this one. Pick him up for me. That's a good one. What do we got? Probably look worse than they are. Not as bad as I thought. These I trim a bit harder on anything that's not being worked. If they're being worked, I'd probably leave a little bit more on than I do, but there again, they'd probably be getting a bit more attention than I've been giving them. You've got two options with her. I can rasp, or I can use the grinder. So I'll use the rasp. It's got good heels, so let's see what it is. Not doing anybody any good. Sounds like a stone to me. What we got here? She did have a bad crack in this foot once. Steady, babe. Steady. I'll take some more off the front and then come back to this probably. Frogs are okay, bars are okay. Down here, down. Bit nasty looking. Steady. Good girl. Now we'll go back to the back. That's come up pretty good actually. It's actually good. Just to be safe. Stand. Get this across here. That's good. I'll do that one. Do the backings now. This one here, babe. Steady now. Steady now. This one. Steady. Up, come on. Steady now. Steady. That's a girl. Well, actually, I don't know if anyone can get a good look at this hoof. I'm not going to do anything with that. It's cool. Dude, that's the way it is. I'll put the date and when she was last trimmed. I'm not going to touch that. The other side now. This one's be the same. Now it might be a bit longer. Hopay, Hopay. Good girl. No, it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Wow. Must be weeks since she was done. Everybody get a good look at that? Beautiful. Everything's square and everything. Up the front. Front not quite as pretty. Right. See how we go on this one. Not quite as not as bad as the other front one was. Pretty good too. Just the thing about the central sulcus and the collateral grooves, they're supposed to be a bit anaerobic, so don't panic. As you get towards, as the widest part of the hoof, supposedly, you're supposed to start to make your, your brumby roll, 45 degrees. Heels, good. Running the rasp up, keep it on the toe, keep it flat, but don't rasp the toe. It's alright. You can take a bit more out of the quarters. For two. Stones. Don't know if anyone heard that with on the rasp, the stone that was in that caught in there. They're not deep, thank goodness. Stand up, baby, stand up. Look at that. Now we go around the front, clean it up, and she'll be finished. Cheeky chicken. Up, come here. Down. From here. That's it. Not too bad. Steady. 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 Don't get too flighty. That's a girl. Steady now. Steady. That's finished you. If you want another treat, Hopay. Steady now, come here. I'm coming up here. There you go. This lady, I paid $300 for. She was all skin and bone. She was a rescue. I bought her for a lady that wanted me to train her, just as a ride horse. Go down to the city, and I could never get her to go. And I was up the paddock one day and I said, "Come on, Hopay, giddy up." Well, giddy up was the key, that's for sure. Alright, I'll let you out, you're getting impatient. That's it. Do this here. Putting your lead rope on, like this here. Where is it? Come here. Come here, I can't reach from here. Come here, give us your head. Come here. That's a girl. That'll do. Opening bolt on gate here. Steady. Put this in. Throwing open wide. Throw this open wide. And out she comes. We go back to the paddock. As everybody's aware, I learned most stuff the hard way. Bring them in through the gate, turn them back towards the gate, let them go, in case they decide to take off, and then you get the cheeky one, don't you? Kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss. Come on. Kiss a kiss. Ouch, good girl.